How to make money on Perplexity. Are you looking to turn your skills into cash right from your laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Perplexity, a powerful tool that can supercharge your income. Stay tuned because these tips could change your financial game. Today we are diving into the exciting world of Perplexity and how you can use it to boost your earnings. In the realm of natural language processing and information theory, Perplexity is a key metric used evaluate the performance of probabilistic models, especially language models. It quantifies how well a model predicts a sequence of words, effectively measuring the model's uncertainty or confidence in its predictions. First things, what exactly is perplexity? It's a fantastic tool for enhancing productivity and creativity. Today, we'll explore how you can leverage it to make money. So all you have to do right now is open your web browser and dive into Perplexity AI. As you can see here, this is the home page. Here we have the home, discover, library, sign in. Sign in, all you have to do is continue with Google, Apple, or some SSO, or by click over here and you write your email and you get your email and you sign up. Here we have where knowledge begins. You can ask anything you want here. Focus, attach. Here we have switch on if you wanna pro search, our most powerful search, ideal for longer answers to complex questions. And here we have, so let's give an example here. So is the best player in the world? As you can see, here we have various sources, 1, 2, 3, and we have 2 more here. Answer the best FIFA men's player. We have current contenders, historical context, related. You can just click over the one you want. Here we have also pictures, source video, generate image, as you can see. So let's back to the home page. Here we have Pro. So Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited pro search, upgrade AI models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and API credits. We have standard here, start for free, no credit card needed, free, continue with free, unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity AI models optimized for speed and quality. Create a profile to personalize your answers. Then we have professional one, as you can see. Here we have enterprise, as you can see, playground. So here we have a conversation with Publicity Labs. Hello, how can I help you? You can just write all you want here and all you need, then you will get your answer. Then we have block here. We have Pro Search, upgrade for more advanced problem solving. Research shapes our daily lives. We use it to make informed decisions and solve problems, to innovate, learn, and grow. We have Perplexity, collaborates with Amazon Web Services, bringing Perplexity to education and not for profit. Introducing Perplexity pages, Perplexity launches Enterprise Pro. Perplexity Pro is coming to all scale. Perplexity partners with 11 labs, then arc of perplexity and a various type of perplexity, as you can see. We have also encyclopedia, as you can see. Welcome to the Perplexity Encyclopedia, introducing a new era of knowledge collection and creation. There's always more to learn. Get started today. We have a lot of niches, captions, ideogram, vid.eo, InVideo, iGen, Link EA, Face it, Edit, Crayon, as you can see. Then we have here also cars. Have our mission, our values, current opening. You can just read it and click over the one you want, as you can see. Here we have also here fake frequently asked question. You can ask the question you want. What is Perplexity? How does Perplexity work? What is Perplexity Pro? What is Pro Search? What is Perplexity Pages? What should you can just click over here and you get your answer. As you can see, what should I use Perplexity for? So Perplexity is your go-to tool for streamlining your information gathering process, whether you are seeking quick answers, conducting in-depth research, or looking for creative inspiration. Perplexity has you covered. So here we have a lot of information. So here we have one of the easiest ways to earn money with Perplexity. First, we have by offering freelance services. Identify your niche. Are you good at mention specific tasks? Perplexities help with the E.J data analysis, content writings, etc. Focus on what do you do best. Then create a profile. Set up a professional profile on freelancing sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Make sure to highlight your skills and experience with Perplexity. Then showcase your work. Use Perplexity to create some simple projects. This will help potential clients see the value you can bring. The second method we have creating and selling digital products. Another great way to make money is by creating and selling digital products using Perplexity. Here is how. First, develop your product. Use Perplexity to create ebooks, templates, or online courses. Then set up an online store. Platform like Etsy or Gumroad are great for selling digital products. Then market your products. Use social media and email marketing to reach your audience. The third method we have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to make money with Perplexity. Here's how it works. First, join an affiliate program, sign up for Perplexity's affiliate program if they have one, or promote related products. Then create valuable content, write blog posts, create videos, or use social media to share your affiliate links. Then drive traffic, use SEO, social media marketing, and email campaigns to drive traffic to your content. The first one we have online courses and consulting. If you are an expert in using Perplexity, why not teach others? Here is how. First, we have create an online courses. Use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to create and sell courses on using Perplexity Conf effectively. Then offer consulting services. Provide one-on-one coaching or consulting to individual or businesses looking to get the most out of the Perplexity. And there you have it. 4 powerful ways to make money with Perplexity. Whether you choose freelance services, digital products, affiliate marketing, online courses, there's plenty of opportunities out there. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.